Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to stop the beep sound on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then go to notifications, tap on advanced settings, and make sure you disable repeat notification alerts. And once you do that, then go back and tap on connections. And from here, just make sure you disable Bluetooth. Now, sometimes this problem appears when there is a Bluetooth device near your smartphone and your smartphone might be trying to connect to that device, and that is why the beep sound problem appears. And also from here, just disable NFC and contactless payment. Now, this problem also appears when the NFC is enabled on your smartphone and a credit card might be near to your device and your smartphone might be attempting to connect to the card. And this is how you can stop the beep sound on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.